Hello, firstly, thank you for purchasing a sticker pack from Pixel About You. This is a short tutorial for Android users just to go through how to download and start using your stickers. So, hopefully you've had an email. You can click on the link here, which will start a download. I've already downloaded one already, so we don't have to wait for that. And if you go to Files, it should appear there. Now it's a zip file, so it will be in your archives folder. There it is. And if you hold down on that file, a new menu appears at the bottom. Click More and Extract to, and we'll use the default directory. I'm just going to overwrite that. Okay, and now that should appear in your gallery. There it is. So you can preview all of your stickers there. Now there's one other app that you will need to use the stickers. So it's free, you can go to your Play Store and it's called Over. So I've already got that app, you can install it. I'm going to open it now. And here there are already a whole load of templates which are pretty cool, and you can edit those yourself, but we will keep it super simple today and just start our own. So hit the round button at the bottom, and we've got a square template for our Instagram feed, and we've also got a rectangular one for our story, and that's the one we are going to use today. So click the tick at the top. First thing we need to do is load our image, so click on the image button bottom left and it shows all our recent files. So we've got all our stickers there, which is great, but we need to navigate back to our gallery where we have all our images. So press More, and then top left shows you all of your folders there, and gallery, I've got another folder here called tutorial with some nice images in. We're going to use this one today. And you can see that it's a little bit small for our template. So if you scroll along the bottom, you've got another menu here. So we'll go to Size. Scrolling left and right makes the image bigger and smaller. You can also use 2 fingers in each corner and zoom in and out of your image like you would in other apps. So we'll settle about there. We go back to the bottom, we can use Adjust, and you've got all of your editing tools like you would have in Instagram, so you can do some of that here. And we've also got some filters, some you have to pay for, but there's still a good selection of free ones. We're not going to add one today though. Okay, so that's our first layer. Now we need to add in a sticker, so back to image in the bottom left, and we'll have a scroll through, and I like the look of this flower. So again, you can add a filter, and we can change the size, we can rotate it, reposition it, and we'll put it down here for now. And then we'll just go into something a little bit extra. So back to the bottom toolbar again, and I'm going to show you this blend tool and how you can use this really simply to create something very effective. So you can go through these and create some really nice effects, or something a bit out there. So I think we'll go back to overlay, click the tick, and then maybe we'll add some text. And another great thing about this app is that there's so many free fonts that are so much nicer than Instagram. So we'll just type and then at the bottom here you can preview all the different fonts. So maybe we'll go for something like this. You can change the colour if you want to. We'll keep it white for today, and we'll adjust the size. and already it looks like you've been using Photoshop for years. And once you're done, top right, click the yellow icon and you're ready to upload to Instagram. Select stories. And here you can still use all the Instagram filters if you want to. You can still add text and your stickers if you want to. And then send to your followers. Easy.